this Golden Cudgel is 3D printed by my coding teacher, and it had some functions. So it could charge here, and if you press this down for a while, it could open and close. And if you do this, it could turn on the light. Woo! Yeah, and I think if you press this once, you could do this. And also there was a red light mode. Let me try to figure it out. Oh, I think I changed it. Oh, I changed it. Oh, this looks good, yo. Oh my god. Okay, you need to wait for it. This is over 2 meters tall. It is basically 2 times as high as me. And shooting, lights. Okay, and so the top golden part and the bottom golden part is 3D printed, but the long stick in the middle is bought and it is made out of metal.